great way to handle the crowd. The guy who was selling this said, it will help you. It's raining here. Don't know if I should continue this or wait this rain to end. I don't know how much distance I've covered, but I walked a lot. These stairs were damn crazy. Shortcut, but at the same time, almost 500 plus stairs. Almost died. Somewhere over here. This is going to be the last view in this video of this place. Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to the new vlog. So guys, check the time. The time is 10:48 and I'm on my way to Vaishno Devi. It's gonna be difficult for sure, but I'm gonna make it. Plan is to reach on the top in let's say 4 or maximum 5 hours. The great part for me is the climate. It's cloudy. So guys, this is how this way goes. You can see shops and a long way to go. It's around 14 kilometers from railway station. So guys, got my Yatra Parchi for free. I said how much? He said free. So now I'm on my way. Tired. Not much, but for sure a bit. Got this by the way for paying 10 rupee, around 10 cents. The guy who was selling this said, it will help you. Hope for the best. So guys, weather is very amazing. It's around 11 a.m. Looks like 6 p.m. for sure. Let me show you the view. It's raining here. Don't know if I should continue this or wait this rain to end. Hey guys, so a quick update. I was on my way, but then I had to go with bag checkup and they found laptop in the bag. Didn't allow me to carry laptop. I had to submit my laptop and then only they allowed me to be here. Took a long time, rest. It's raining here. Raining very badly. So I've used almost 90% of my energy. I don't know how much distance I've covered, but I walked a lot for sure. I walked at a very good speed, almost around 4 to 5 kilometers per hour, and I walked for 30 minutes. For sure, it's gonna be difficult. It just started and the view is getting better and better, but I'm getting tired and tired. I hope it makes sense. I'm gonna wait for like 1 or 2 minutes and then I'll continue the journey. Just tired sitting. So guys, just look at this view. It's very amazing. Can't tell you how I'm feeling right now. These stairs were damn crazy. Go for easy way ahead and let's take a break for 3-4 minutes and then we'll walk again. So there were 2 ways and I took the stair one, shortcut. But at the same time, almost 500 plus stairs. Isn't it look amazing? What do you guys think? Still 3 or maybe 350 stairs left. Let's go. Not very easy, but look at the view. This view is so amazing that reduce all stress that you have almost died, and yeah, just keep walking. So guys, my camera is completely discharged now, and using my phone now to record. Sorry for the bad video quality. Just check the time, it's 1:38 and looks almost 3 kilometers left. Still a long way to go. So guys, if you're coming for this yatra, you don't need to worry, because I realized that after every kilometer or every 500 meter there is a water booth where you can get filtered water for free. Apart from that, there is also washroom, toilet, whatever you call. So there's that as well. That's free of cost and very clean. Not doing a bathroom tour here. It's not a train vlog. It doesn't feels right, but it's a very good facility here. It's very clean and amazing views. You can definitely come here and of course you can enjoy yourself. Guys, look at this. So I think this is a forest because I can see a deer. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Can you see? Somewhere over here. So guys, walked almost 13 kilometers. Last 1 kilometer is left. Just taking a quick break, enjoying the scenery behind me. You also see the view behind me and enjoy. So guys, here's the first look of the Bhawan. It's around 700 meters away from me, and here's the way you can see. So I'm gonna walk this last 700 meters or maybe 650 meters, and I'm gonna reach to the Bhawan. So guys, finally reached Bhawan. Filming is not allowed inside, so I'm gonna find a locker room. I'm gonna keep my stuff inside. I'm gonna take a bath over there. If you can see, people are taking bath, and then I will go to Bhawan. I will do the darshan, and here's the view, guys. You can see this is going to be the last view in this video of this place. It's very beautiful. So as I said, I'm going to take bath over there. There are so many people are standing. Then I'm going to do the darshan where it says Kalka Bhawan, you can see, and before that I have to find a locker room. Guys, I'm not sure if you can see over there. So there's also a trolley service from here to over there on top, where there's other temple of Bhairav Baba temple. So you can also use this trolley. I know we were supposed to get our COVID results here, but I did went for COVID test in Varanasi 2 days before, as you saw. However, there's no network in my phone so that I can log into the website and I can get my results. At the same time, you can see the people who have the result, who have the COVID test, still they are in queue to see the other side. And I think the exit is same, which is not the right tactic. They must have two different exits. One for the people who are going for the COVID test and one for the people who have done the COVID test and have the results. Not a great way to handle the crowd.